Hi, everyone. Are you ready for your next phonics lesson? Okay, this is day 7. Time is going by so quickly, right? Today, we're going to learn a bunch of different special sounds. Some of them you're familiar with, and some of them you're going to review and go ahead to and learn more special sounds. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at are sight words. So you're going to say them with me. Are you ready? Here we go. Says, where, come, I, said, both, to, the number 2, was, have, oh, give. You got it? That was kind of fast, but it's okay. We're going to be going over them a little bit more every day. And you can always just rewind and we can say those over again with me. All right? Okay, you got it. Good listening ears. I'm so proud of you. You are in tune and sitting down and listening to Miss Martinez's phonics lesson of the day. All right, guys. I miss you, by the way. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over some, blends, right? Blend with long vowels, right? So we're going to do the special sounds. We're going to say the special sounds and we're going to use the long vowels. Ready? Skew, grow, gry, gree, gray, pru, pro, sco, sky, ski, skay, smoo or smew, right? Smo, smy, smee, smay, and grew or grew, right? So I know I'm going a little bit fast. Don't worry, you can go over them again on this video. You can pause it, you can stop it and rewind it, and we'll say it again. What I want you to do is just get used to seeing the special sound with the vowel, the long vowel sound, and just go over it and over it again, just like we do our special sound charts. All right? Again, just go over it in the video, okay? I know I said it a little bit fast. You got it, all right? So now we're gonna go over the special sound chart and I know you have the video that has all of the special sounds on them, but we're gonna review this together. Are you ready? Here we go. Give me 1 second and here we go. This first one is in whale, WH. In who, WH, in patch, TCH, ear in ear, EAR, air in bear, EAR, in earth, EAR, old in gold, OLD. See that? In lamb, MB, oo in flu, EW. Let's go up here. U in few, EW. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, ER. Est in biggest, EST. Lee in slowly, LY. What is this? N in sharpen, EN. S in peaches, ES. Ild in child, ILD. Ind in kind, IND. Very good, guys. Remember, we're just kind of saying them a little bit quicker so your brain can get used to seeing the blend or seeing the special sound and reading it quickly. Don't worry, play it over if you need more time. All right, so today's special sounds, we're going to go over first these two because we've already seen these. So this is J in giant, G, and this one is what? J in fudge, DGE. You see that? Now remember, You have words that have the G. J sounds like a J, right? All right, and it's followed by an E. See that? And then you have the J in fudge, DGE, that comes at the end of the words, and the D is silent, right? Sounds like a J also, right? So DGE and J, G. Very good. All right. So now what we're going to do next, boys and girls, is we're going to go ahead and go over some special sounds. So let's take a look right now what I have on my screen. I'm going to share it with you. So please pay attention, and we're going to go through this paper together, and we're going to do this slowly. So don't worry about going too quickly. And here we go. It's going to go up right now in 2 seconds. Here we go. It's right there. So let's go up and scroll up all the way. And I have the paper right there for you. So we're going to look and see what we have. We have some sentences, some just quick sentences, questions, and some of them they're ending with a period, right? So we're going to read them, and then we're going to choose which one of those sentences matches with the picture that's right next to it, right? So the picture is going to give you the hint what it is, which one you're going to circle. So let's read the directions together at the top like we always do in class. Are you ready? It says circle the sentence that goes with the picture, right? Easy peasy. So here we go. I'm going to read it along with you. You see a special sound there in the word? The first word is may. May. A and pray. A-Y. You see that? A and pray. A-Y. May I drive? And do you notice that it starts with a capital letter, boys and girls? I hope you do. I hope you remember that whenever you begin a capital, a sentence, it always starts with a capital letter, remember? Okay, so let's read it again. May I drive? And what is that punctuation at the end of that sentence, boys and girls? Is that a period? No. Is it an exclamation point? No. Is that a question mark? Yes, you got it right. So, may I drive? That is the first sentence. Now let's go to the bottom sentence. It says, may I dress? Oh, they try to trick you, right? They have the same words, may I, but then the third word says dress. And that, of course, boys and girls, does not go with the picture on the right. So what would you choose, the top one or the bottom sentence? Oh, I think I heard you. Did you say the top sentence? If you did and you circled it, you are right. Great job, guys. Let's go to the middle part of the paper. Look at the picture and then read the sentence with me. Ready? Pass the ham. And that's a period, right? And now let's read the next sentence. Pass the pack. You see the CK, induct CK. What would you circle? Would you circle pass the ham or pass the pack? Oh, great job, guys. Did you choose the top sentence? You're right. Winner, winner, chicken dinners. All right. So now let's go to the next one on the bottom. Let's see. Get in the Oh, look at that word, boys and girls. It's C-A-R, but this word does not follow the one vowel rule. This one, if you mark this word with a smiley face, it would say car, and that would not make sense, right, boys and girls? If you look carefully, this is a special sound, R in star, A-R. So circle the A-R and now read the word again. R, car, get in the car. Does that sentence make sense with the picture that you see on the right? Think about it. Let's read the bottom sentence. Here we go. Get on the, remember the is a sight word, and bus. Get on the bus. Oh, that makes more sense because on the right side, you see a picture of a school bus. Do you see that, boys and girls? See? All right. So if you are going to circle the bottom sentence, then you are right. You got it. Now let's go to the bottom. Read the directions with me, because remember I told you that whenever you see a number and there's new directions, you need to stop and read the directions before you continue, right? So let's read these directions. It says, mark the vowels. Do you see that? Mark the vowels. So do you notice that the first word is already marked for you? Good. E-A-T. Straight stick over the first vowel, and the second vowel is silent, and then you have the T. Eat, eat. Did you get it? Good. Let's go on with the next word. There's two vowels next to each other, the O and the A. Remember the rule. When two vowels go walking, the first one says the long sound, and the second one is shh, silent. So you're going to put a thinking cap over the first vowel and cross off that second vowel, right, boys and girls? Now let's move on. Do you see the next word? Cool. Cool in clock, CL. So circle the CL and give the I a smiley face for short vowel sound. Clip, clip. The next one, boys and girls, is J. Oh, look, there's a capital letter. What does it mean when a word starts with a capital letter, boys and girls? Do you remember? Look for your mom and dad that's sitting there close to you, or someone that's listening, and tell them, why do you think this word begins with a capital letter? Did you say because it's somebody's name? You're right. You're right again, boys and girls. You're so smart. So you're just marking that with a smiley face. Jim. Now we're going to go on to the next word. Stuck. Stuck. You have two special sounds in this word and one vowel that you're going to mark with a smiley face. So the first special sound is in stop, ST, and then you have one vowel in the word, so you're marking it with a smiley face. And the last special sound is k in duck, CK, you circle that. Now we're going to go over the last word. I'm going to write it below here. And it is the word bead, bead. So that is the same rule as the second word in coat. It applies to the same, the words, because there are two vowels in it, right? So two vowels go walking. The first one says the talking, and the second one is shh, silent. So if that first vowel is the long sound, it's going to say E, right? Bead, bead. You got it, right? Good job, boys and girls. So we're done with our paper. You can put that on the side there next to you, and we're going to go ahead and do something else, work something else together. So let's take a look. I have some words on do you see what I'm sharing right now? There's some words there, and they have different vowels, and we have to look for, I spy with your little eye, what special sounds, and what do you do with those vowels? Let's go through them. Ready? All right, the first one is full, right? Full. So don't let the double L fool you. Oh, you see, full, right? But this is a different kind of full. This is like, my tummy feels full, right? And so when you have that special sound there, is this, you have one vowel, right? So we're going to mark it, and it's full, like in push you. Here we go, full. And then we have wet, and that is marked with a smiley face. And the next one, do you see that? You smiley face over the E because it's one vowel. And then we are going to actually go on to the next one because this one has two special one special sound and two vowels. Remember? And even if the vowels are the same vowels, even if they're twin vowels, you still follow the same rule of the two vowel rule. Here we go. So this is in stop ST, and you have ye, steep, steep, right? It is a steep hill. That means it's really like this. It's like going down really steep, right? And then we are going to go to the next row. You have the word home. You see that? Home. How many vowels do you see in the word home, boys and girls? Two, right? The first one and then the silent E. Now remember that even though the two vowels are not next to each other, you're still going to apply the two vowel rule because you have the first vowel is long, O, and then the E is going to be silent. So it's home, home. Let's go on to the next one. Trust, trust. All right, you got it? Trust. I trust you're doing your work at home, right? Good job. Now we're going to review, remember the J in fudge DGE and J in giant G. So I put two words here and the special sounds, I wrote them in red so they stand out. Do you see them? The first one says edge, DGE. When you see a DGE in your little books, when you're reading, you circle it, right? All right, so remember, DGE, the D is silent, and you say it like a J sound, J. And when you use the DGE, it comes at the end of a word, the end of the syllable, all right? And let's go to the next one, J, huge. There you go. And we're going to circle. You're not going to cross off the last E, right? That does not apply to the silent E rule, all right? So that is huge. Remember the G sounds like a J also, and it is followed by an E. Okay, all right, very good. So I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any questions, you can call me, right? And make sure that you're going on IXL at least 5 minutes a day and work really hard, all right? Okay, we'll see you soon and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.